Did you know that eagles rule the wild and are the perfect predators? The key reason for this is that they have no restrictions on how far they can travel and even what animals they are allowed to hunt. Eagles have been captured attacking animals twice as large as they are. This is due to the fact that they have extraordinary eyesight and a beak that could lead to significant harm, and a grasp and pointed talons, meaning eagles have what it takes to kill any animal. It won't even waste time trying to reach its prey and strike without hesitation. Eagles are carnivorous birds. All of the food they eat is meat. They ingest 400 to 500 grams of food per day. The eagle is the pinnacle predator, having no natural enemies to itself. It only faces risks from humans. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different attacks of the eagle on different animals. But before I proceed, my name is Emmanuel, from Mate TV. Number 1. Leopard. In an eagle's view, no animal is secure. But the leopard is equally as dangerous and brutal, especially when their cubs are involved. No mother is prepared to be compassionate to their biggest nightmare for their kids. The leopard left its young to go in quest of food, and before it had even fully left, eagle's first impression was that it was the right time to attack the cubs. Unfortunately, the mother leopard's motherly instincts immediately surfaced. The leopard jumped from one tree to another and onto the eagle's neck. Number 2. Snake. Eagles are among the biggest bird species within its family. As their name implies, their feathers are totally brown, and their main food source is snakes. It's difficult to predict what creatures can frighten an eagle because of venom. Spitting snakes are most definitely not one of them. Nevertheless, they are not resistant to any poisonous snake, yet these vultures are predators and are incredibly skilled at murder when they catch their prey. Number 3. Crocodile. This mother crocodile covered her eggs to keep them warm and safe. The eagle seemed to be really at ease. After a few months, the eggs started to hatch, and little crocodiles emerged. The mother crocodile assisted them in reaching the water to increase their chances of surviving in the sea. The eagle was then very attentive. Having only just been born, the eagle quickly previously selected a crocodile juvenile. They could all go independently to the water. Mother crocodile made an effort to protect her young one from the vicious eagle, but it didn't jump high enough. Number 4. Monkey. This eagle will soon complete its empty stomach. Watch it turn its head in expectation. The monkey that is being pursued here, eating across it while occupied. It instantly departed and moved forward, directly to the point. The group of monkeys showed the same interest. Then, upon observing the eagle, they began to swing from tree to trees as it approached them. The eagle had no issue with this because it can maintain focus on two prey at same moment. Who will it be then? The eagle, nevertheless, seized the monkey and proceeded to hit the tree branch with it. This eagle finally brings its prey, returning to the nest to feed its young. The fifth is flamingo. A massive eagle began to swoop down, while this large group of flamingos were just enjoying the cool waters as they normally would. The moment the eagles took flight, the flamingos try to disperse as it gets close for their security. They don't have a lot of options because there was hardly any room between them to flee the eagle's onslaught. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.